Hi! If you've started this video, you likely need a place to store and embed your video. I'm Dima, and in this video, I'll show you, with real examples, how Kinescope video hosting handles these and many other tasks in one place. If you're interested in specific hosting features, click the chapters on the timeline to jump straight to the part you need. Let's create a new project and upload our first videos. In the left panel, click the plus icon and create your first project. Give it a name and, if needed, enable encryption. We'll leave the default settings as they are. You can always come back to them at the video level. Now, let's upload the first video. Kinescope supports most popular video formats. If your videos are on your computer, upload them using the button or drag them from a folder right into the interface. You can upload an entire folder of videos to Kinescope at once. The catalog will recreate its structure on their site. If you need to collect video from a colleague or contractor, send them a link to the request page. They'll upload videos directly to your library without needing extra access to your account. You can also upload video via a YouTube link. Just enter the links and the video will be added to your account with metadata, poster, and subtitles. If you previously stored videos in the cloud, connect Kinescope to it and import directly without downloading videos to your computer. And last but not least, if you previously stored videos on any other video hosting, you can use our API to transfer your entire media library in one day, absolutely free, while preserving your folder structure. You can migrate your library from another host via API using the guides in our Help Center or by contacting Support Chat. We'll set up the integration and migrate your video library in one day, completely free of charge. For now, I'll just drag a couple of files from my desktop. Done. After uploading videos, Kinescope will automatically transcode them into several resolutions and prepare them for viewing. This ensures that Kinescope's content delivery system can quickly load videos for viewers, regardless of their location or internet speed. Oh, looks like the videos in the catalog have already been processed. Now, let's go through the video level settings. Set the video title. If you like, add a subtitle and a description below the video. Choose one of the suggested posters, upload your own, or pick any frame from the video. If needed, you can also download the poster to your computer. Add tags. They will make it easier to search the video library and provide additional organization. Moving on to the privacy settings. We have a separate video about all content protection methods, as well as detailed materials in our Help Center. For now, I'll briefly highlight the essentials. In Kinescope, you can enable project-level DRM encryption, restrict video access by link, code, password, email, or corporate account, and activate static or dynamic watermarks that appear over the video. We cover all protection tools in detail in a separate video and in our Help Center materials. For now, let's keep the default settings and move on. Player settings. The customizable player is also a unique and interesting Kinescope product. We've also made a detailed video about it and covered it in the Help Center. But for now, to avoid switching tools, we'll stick with the default player. If you need to upload a new version of a video, you don't have to re-add it. Just update the version in the settings and it will automatically update everywhere it's embedded. To make your video more than just a playback and actively engage the viewer, add interactive elements. Let's start with annotations. They help viewers see extra comments and external links right on top of the video. To add an annotation, open the Interaction tab in the video settings, enable annotations, and click Add. Specify the exact appearance time, enter the text, and add a link if necessary. You can place the finished annotations along the timeline. They will appear in the top right corner of the video as a text bubble. Another element is Additional Video. This feature lets you place links to your other videos directly inside the player. Open the Interaction tab, click Additional Videos, enable the feature, and click Add Video. Select the video from your library, give it a title, and set the appearance time on the timeline. You can upload several additional videos at the same time. During playback, they'll appear in the top right corner of the video with a thumbnail and text description. Finally, attach files to your video, presentations, guides, checklists, or any extra materials viewers can download while watching. Open the Interaction tab, click Attachments, enable the feature, and upload your files. If needed, give the attachment a clear name. Done. The materials will appear right in the player under the paperclip icon. To make your video easy to watch even without sound, upload a subtitle file or generate them in Kinescope using AI. You can generate 2 subtitle tracks at once, in the original language and in English. Edit subtitles in the Kinescope interface. Chapters help viewers better navigate long user roles and instantly jump to interesting segments. You can add chapters either manually or generate them using AI. All in just a couple of clicks. You can also edit or supplement the result directly in your dashboard. You can embed videos from Kinescope onto any of your platforms: a custom-built website or mobile app, a Telegram mini app, a website builder, a closed corporate portal, or an LMS. There are 2 ways to embed your videos. A direct link is perfect if you just need to send a video via email, messenger, or, for example, attach a video to a document. Video opens on a separate web page optimized for any device. And if you want to embed the video directly on your platforms, use the embed code. The code on the page places the video player as a separate block within a site, app, or portal. The adaptive code adjusts the player size for different screen formats. The fixed one preserves the specified dimensions in pixels. The pop-up code opens the video in a floating window above the page, while the AI code looks like a regular player, but contains the full video transcript based on captions. If you embed the video in this format, ChatGPT and other agents will see the content of the user roles and recommend it in their responses. Try it out. That is it. Just copy the code and embed it. The video works. The embedded video does not load your resource because our infrastructure handles the content delivery. The page loads just as fast and the videos play without any third-party ads. After embed the video, you'll get detailed analytics, views, engagement, geography, and traffic sources. There will be enough data to compile detailed reports and understand through numbers how videos are watched and what to improve. We covered analytics in more detail in a separate video and in the Help Center materials. That is all. Let's summarize. Kinescope is a video hosting that gives you full control over your video. Upload from any source, embed the player without developers, protect from downloading, and track analytics. Plus, you get an organized video library, team access, a built-in editor, and interactive elements. All of this is available in one place with our unified plan. Try it right now. The first 100 minutes of video and 200 gigabytes of traffic are already available in the free account, no card required. And with the promo code HOST, we give new clients 30 days of the super plan. Enjoy unlimited Kinescope features for a whole month. And if you need an enterprise plan, write to us in the chat or leave a request, and we will offer a package solution tailored for your company. That is all. Thanks for being with us. See you in Kinescope. See you in the future.